Shoplifting, dropping out of school, sleeping on couches, short jobs, cash work. No fixed address for long. By her late teens, Sophia Amoruso was already off the conventional path. Sophia Amoruso grew up moving between homes and environments that didn't offer much stability. She struggled in school and eventually dropped out of community college. There was no clear career direction and no long-term plan forming. In her early 20s, she moved between temporary jobs. Some were retail, some were short-term or under the table. Money came in inconsistently and living arrangements changed often. During this period, she was arrested for shoplifting. The incident didn't change her circumstances immediately, but it marked how limited her options had become. There was no degree to fall back on, and no professional track waiting. As time passed, the pressure increased. Bills still existed. Housing was still unstable. Waiting for the right opportunity wasn't realistic. At some point, the focus shifted from finding work to creating income. She began selling items online, starting with second-hand clothing, not as a business idea, but as a way to bring in money quickly. She used an existing marketplace because buyers were already there and the barrier to entry was low. The work happened mostly at night. She sourced clothing during the day. She cleaned and repaired pieces when needed. She photographed them in simple setups. Descriptions were written carefully to explain fit, condition, and style. Orders were packed and shipped as soon as they came in. The process repeated daily. Sales provided immediate feedback. Some items sold quickly, others didn't move at all. She adjusted prices, changed photos, and refined what types of clothing she focused on. Over time, patterns became clear. Certain aesthetics performed better. The presentation became more consistent. Buyers began returning. What started as individual listings began to function as a recognizable storefront. The name Nasty Gal emerged from this phase. As sales increased, the operation expanded. Inventory volumes grew. Shipping became more demanding. Eventually, the work moved beyond a single person handling every task. Nasty Gal transitioned from marketplace listings to its own website. Employees were hired. Warehousing, marketing, and financing became part of daily operations. Growth accelerated quickly. With scale came new constraints. Inventory tied up cash. Mistakes had larger consequences. Decisions that were simple early on now affected many people. The system that worked when everything ran through one person did not scale smoothly. Some early strengths, branding, direct communication with customers, remained useful. Other areas required different systems and experience. In 2016, Nasty Gal filed for bankruptcy. The company shut down shortly after. After that chapter ended, Amoruso moved into different work. She focused on writing, media, and building a personal brand around career and identity. The format changed, but the distribution model remained direct. The headline is Nasty Gal, but the sequence is straightforward. A period of instability, a practical decision to create income, a repeatable routine, rapid growth, then the limits of that routine at scale. When it stopped working, it was changed, and the work continued.